How to see who visited your Instagram account. For this, go ahead and Instagram app and first and foremost tap on the profile icon and go to the hamburger icon. Tap on settings. From here, select account, scroll down and tap on switch to professional account. Go ahead and tap on continue to all of this and select a category and then tap on done. Once you do that, go ahead and select for creator and then tap on next. You can skip this part for now. Now, once we are in our professional mode, tap on the hamburger icon at the top. You will see a new feature there, that is Insights. Tap on it. Here is the place where you will see all of the activity going on in your account. Also, it will notify you number of visitors in your profile. However, it won't display the name of the visitor due to the privacy and security policy of Instagram. Hopefully this video was helpful to you and thank you so much for watching.